Welcome, friends. This channel is the only location on the planet Earth where you will find questions posed to and answers gained from the universal data stream. The universal data stream is essentially the internet of the universe, established by advanced extraterrestrials and broadcast out to the universe with the intention of spreading the message of the light to the universe. Questions can be asked of the universal data stream and answers are often given to questions posed. It is the purpose of this channel to spread information about the universe and its inhabitants, religions, institutions, practices, cultures, societies, planets, civilizations, technologies, and healing knowledge. In addition, knowledge gained here will help individuals and societies move toward establishing utopias on Earth. Question: tell me the name of a religion founded by an extraterrestrial or extraterrestrial group which has not been revealed to me before. Many different religions exist in many different parts of the universe. Even the concept of religion itself differs between parts of the universe. Keeping this information in mind, another interesting religion founded by extraterrestrials is named Constant Control of the Spheres. Constant Control of the Spheres is a small group that gained much notoriety in the world of its founding. Methods for undoing the fabric of perceptual knowledge were developed that were so effective that Constant Control of the Spheres followers developed the ability to practice intense mind control on people not associated with the group. Intense mind control was established over a number of great leaders on the home planet of the group. Through this mind control by proxy, Constant Control of the Spheres, for a time controlled many societies on the home planet, amassing much power and wealth. When the mind control technologies developed by Constant Control of the Spheres were recognized by powerful individuals not associated with the group, a wave of massive and violent repression was unleashed that all but wiped out the group and its technology. However, knowledge of the history of Constant Control of the Spheres allows for the inspiration and direction necessary to move toward re-establishing a new sect of the cult by any people from any social species which may attempt to re-establish Constant Control of the Spheres. Question: who founded Constant Control of the Spheres? Tiyeptagula was the founder of Constant Control of the Spheres. Tiyeptagula was the equivalent of what might be called a female on the Earth. She rose from extremely humble beginnings. Tiyeptagula was mocked, humiliated, and disrespected for most of her life. She remained true to the belief that her inner nature was sacred, despite the constant disrespect and humiliation directed against her. Because the constant social attacks of her peers and the population in general was resisted with the correct mindset, the very humiliation meant to control her and destroy her potential eventually became the catalyst for her great evolution into one of the most powerful religious cult leaders of all time on the home planet. She adapted into a state in which the very attack methods of her would-be controllers provided the necessary energy for the cult to be founded, which in turn rose to take control, for a time, of the very society that had tried so hard to keep her powerless. Question: what is a core religious teaching of Constant Control of the Spheres? Constant Control of the Spheres believes many different instances define the personality of the individual. Thus, what humans might consider to be a single individual is in fact multiple individuals, depending on the exact point of time and angle from which a being is examined. An individual is not the same person from one moment to the next. Further, individuals exist as individual beings and group entities at the same time. Question: tell me something important that humanity can learn from Constant Control of the Spheres. The power of the individual ultimately defines the form of the collective. Much has been stated of essential differences between beings, races, planets, and societies. but the core understandings which can be focused upon between societies existent on different worlds can tell us much about the core elements of evolution. In order to measure positive evolution, standards have to be determined and measured. Until such standards are recognized and named, it is not possible to consciously work toward improving societies and moving them toward genuine utopia. Constant control of the spheres recognized very early in its existence that in order to establish a utopian society, the concept of utopia must be precisely defined. In order for progress to be made and maintained, standards of what progress actually is must be developed. Though many people on the Earth might not agree with the standards developed by constant control of the spheres for the definition of a utopia and advancement, what is vitally important for humans to understand is the need for the concepts of utopia and advancement to be thoroughly researched, defined, and codified. All actions in a society need be taken within the bounds developed by the definitions of utopia and advancement. Before the cult was destroyed by the powerful on the home planet, constant control of the spheres was moving quickly toward establishing laws and transforming social and cultural norms and pressures to force the home society population, the place where the destined dwell, to perform all actions under the overarching banner of moving toward the establishment of the group's definition of utopia. Thank you for taking this opportunity to learn from the universal data stream. Please apply the knowledge gained here about the universal other to improve your life, your spirit, and your society. Everyone is welcome here. Please subscribe, share with your friends, and watch for more knowledge about the universe. We sincerely hope you will use the knowledge gained here to improve your existence and the existence of those around you. Together we can establish a utopia here on Earth.